Hello, Leslie here with not a plan with me, but kind of a memory planner, bucket list kind of spread. So they've always had these pages in my planner. I don't think I've ever filmed one with you guys. I've done a couple of spreads kind of like this in my Erin Condren, and honestly, I usually go and decorate this page and write some things on it. I just don't usually film it. So I thought it would be fun to start doing that since, I have more time, etc. So we're going to be doing the July 2021 setup page. I guess that's what you want to call it. So there's different sections. There's noted, this month's focus, special dates and holidays, this month I'm grateful for, and to do. And then they have Independence Day on here as well. So I don't know that these are going to stick around. We'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and grab, I think, some sticker books, washi tape. Let's start with washi tape. So this month's focus for fun was definitely we planted the garden in our front stoop area. Not that one. I want this one, I think. So I grabbed this washi sample from my friend Liz. Thank you. She even wrote enjoy. How cute. And she used like a playing card, which is adorable. So I thought this would be perfect. This reminds me so much of our wild garden. I've been sharing a lot of pictures on Instagram, so I hope you guys don't miss out on those. I put them in my Insta stories. They're not like on my feed. If you're like, I haven't seen those, they're just in the Insta stories. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. I think we're just going to go at an angle on this one. Turn that off. And then I need my washi cut off. So I'm going to put this down here. Pretty far into it, I think. Not quite to the end. Not quite. But look at those beautiful blooms. I don't even know where this washi tape, where she got it from. But I think it's gorgeous. We're going to finish that out there. And then we have this one. So we have the girl watering the flowers, smelling the flowers. Then we have Mellow watering the tree flower. I think I like the girl watering the flowers. I think I'm going to put her over here. And then probably go ahead and add these in. It's been watering can for days. That's what I think. And then there's like peas and a shovel. So I'm not going to use those ones, I don't think. But I think that's what that's going to look like. We've definitely been doing that. So as far as a pen color for that section, I think this one, my Jelly Roll pen. So watering the butterfly garden. Butterfly garden. And there actually has been some butterflies. We even had a chrysalis. Now, I saw ants crawling all over it, so I don't know if it survived. But it disappeared. It almost looked ready. I don't really know what a chrysalis looks like when it's ready, so I have no idea. All right, and then I thought we would grab, I grabbed some seasonal sticker books from the Happy Planner. These are kind of old. This one's from 2016, 2017. So we're gonna probably use some of the summer bucket list kind of stickers. I think that's my plan. So they always put a weather sticker in there, which I always forget about promptly. I promptly forget about that one. All right, so I like the Sweet Land of Liberty. I think that one's really good. And then I like the Love This sticker because it's going to be kind of memory stuff too. So maybe that page. Definitely this page. I'm seeing a lot of good things there. Okay, so I like that. And then there's some good things there. I don't know about that one. And then there was another one. See, there's plant flowers. So I feel like I should grab that one. I need to grab that one now. I know this is for spring. Who cares? We didn't plant them. They're just growing, but I just think it would look cute if I layered that in. So we're going to do that. And then I think the rest of it is spring. And then it goes into fall. Goes into fall stuff and Christmas. Okay. So we'll come back to this one. Not for that one. Not for that. I said we're going to come back to this page. Not that one. That one and that one probably. Okay. Then we'll have to look in this one. The other seasonal. That's sticking to my books. The other seasonal sticker book. Let's see. We've got. That looks like New Year's and birthdays. And then. Okay, so there's some summertime deco stickers. I like those Stars. Girls just want to have fun. That's cute. It's way too big though for what I'm doing. Okay. I like the fireworks and I like that I love those good summer vibes. Okay, so I'm gonna peel this off now because I like it. So leave that open. Leave that open too. Okay, I think this will look good at the bottom. Do you think it'll fit? Oh, it kind of does. Okay, we're gonna go real low with this. Can you guys, we're good? Okay. All right, we're gonna lay that down. I like that. And then I like this 4th of July box that I left hanging here. Probably from a summer spread that I wasn't using for 4th of July. So we got some fireworks. Did I say flowers or did I say fireworks? Oh, how embarrassing. Okay, so I'm going to put this. I'm going to cover up Independence Day, but that's because I'm going to put my own stickers. So we're going to put this here. And then I want to layer in. Watch 4th of July fireworks, which was, we got to watch this one. We got to watch from our front porch. So that was fun. Okay, can you see this on top of here? I think you can. Okay, we're going to go up with it just a little bit. There. That looks good. And then I like the other 4th of July one too. This one, Sweet Land of Liberty. Like that one. So put this one over here, or should I go? I think right here. We're gonna go almost to the punch. Okay. That looks snazzy. Okay. So then on that day, we did make s'mores. There's a s'mores sticker? I thought there was. Stargazing. Okay, so should we put the summer bucket list sticker at the top? Because it kind of is. Only it's a little bit more memory planning our bucket list. I might put a few things on here that I still want to do. Ooh, look how that fits. Ooh, don't stick that there though. Okay, so we got our year. That's a little crooked. Does that matter? Maybe. Is it going to let me have it back though? Yeah, mostly. Okay, let's try to make that a little bit straighter. I'm kind of using the line here. Before I wasn't. Okay, so summer bucket list, sort of. Sort of. Okay, there is... I thought there was a s'mores one. There's make ice cream. We're not going to do that. Go night swimming. I hope we get to do that. Eat outside. Have a backyard camp out. My boys are supposed to do that. We'll see if it happens this month, but I'm going to go ahead and grab it. Backyard camp out. I'm going to grab the tent to go with it. So they plan on doing that. So we're going to put that in the to-dos. I'm going to layer it in just a little bit. So I'm going to go there, and then this is going to go over here. And then I saw someone else take their white jelly roll, ran away with the other jelly rolls. And they just colored like these in. They just went like this, just to fade them out. And get that gone. Get that gone. Okay. Oh, that kind of defeated the purpose. Why do I feel the need to touch it after I do it? Do you guys do that? Then I end up with this. What are you doing? I feel like I'm drying it. I don't know. What are you doing? Okay. And then have a barbecue, which we did do for the 4th of July as well. So we need to put that like near the 4th of July probably. We'll put this over here. And then we'll squeeze that in over there. I like it. We're probably gonna go not on vacation. We haven't eaten a lot of watermelon. There's eat outside. We haven't really done that too much. So maybe we'll do an eat outside over here. And then there was another one. I think when I flipped through, there's yum, summer fun. Not that one. There's Mother's Day. Easter eggs. Oh, there's more flowers. That would be cute. This one. There's fall. There's a fall bucket list. I thought there was a s'mores sticker and I can't find it now. How sad. Maybe it's in this one then. Because I stopped here. Go to an outdoor concert. No. Oh, there's another Independence Day sticker. But I think I have enough in that department. Not planning on doing a beach day. Is it on this one? There it is. Make s'mores. Good job. I was like, it's somewhere. It's the other bucket list page that I didn't use. I didn't use it. Okay, so I think we did that on 4th of July too. We're probably gonna do it again though. So I think I am gonna go ahead though and put it in here. Just layer those circles in. We'll probably have another barbecue, but I'm not gonna put that again. I'm not going to the fair. There's a summer bonfire. Read a good book. Oh, summer shopping. I definitely did some of that. That kind of came up in my to-dos, actually. We'll put this here. We did summer shopping. And I can put that... I use the lime green? I never use the lime green, but there's lime green right there. I thought that would be fun. Okay. Bought new workout clothes. Bought new workout clothes, which did not go super well. I bought some, returned them, bought some other ones. Now those are working, but it was not smooth. It's not smooth sailing in that department. Okay, I really like these stars, but I probably don't need all of them. Here, we're gonna pull this up just a little and then cut it about there. Oh, got some more washi tape stuck to that. I don't need that right now. Okay, we're gonna stick this one right here. I have some foiling on there. I think that looks good. Now up here, for things noted, what is our plan for noted? Oh, those some big flowers. That's not where I'm going. Do your thing. I think I want that one. And then I think I want, you remember that washi tape that was really cute in here? Not washi tape, the stickers, this one. I want to grab a chunk of this. Don't know how much just yet, but I want some of it. And then I'm gonna grab my whiteout. I'm gonna white out the noted section. This, because I don't want it on there. I told you I was like, not all sections are gonna be on here still, and that'll be just fine. Okay, so we have that. I want this to be right here, but I need to cut some of it off. So I think I want it to have flat edges, so I kind of need to measure. Or do I? What if I just have it hang right there so I can cut right here out there? Probably use the other half somewhere else because why not? Okay, so we're going to have this lined up right there. And then we're going to have do your own thing hanging over the side. Yeah, I like that. There's that. And then we have this little bit. Where are we going to put you? Over here. Because we want to use it all up. Because I'll probably forget where it is. And then I won't use it. And it'll be terrible. Okay, I have some other freebies that I wanted to grab. Fribbies. Everybody loves a good fribbies. Okay, so I did some pen tests. You guys can see my mess there. And then I also have, these are from Sweet Kawaii Design. And then this one was from Sweet Kawaii Design. So let's see about these ones. We did have a birthday party to go to that was a pool party that we all went to. I'm going to put this one down. And then it was, I think, the 9th or the 10th. It was the 10th. I'm going to grab blue for that one, the dark blue. So, pool party with friends. It was for a birthday. With friends. And that was on 7. And then we did just buy a watermelon. I didn't drink it. There's like some watermelon tea there, but you've got Frank here eating watermelon, so I thought that would be cute. So eat watermelon. We need to have a watermelon color, don't we? What's our watermelon color? Should I go with the hot pink? Oh, yeah, because the pink flamingo, for sure. Okay, so eat a lot of watermelon. Watermelon. Okay, so I think we're on our second or third watermelon this summer. We also got a cantaloupe, so that's what's next. Too hot to function. I don't feel like we've gotten that hot. And then time to grill. I kind of already have barbecue over here, so I'm not going to put that again. Blocking the haters. That one's funny. Do we have something for that? Do your thing and then block the haters. There you go. That works together. Here, we'll put this right there. Do your thing and block out the haters. I like it. All right, and then we have this one. So my son did do a thing with the neighbors and had like a popsicle party. So I'm going to put this little popsicle in there. Put that there. And then probably should be pink again. Neighbor popsicle party. I don't know. Neighbor popsicle party. So that was fun. And then we are planning on going to get ice cream. There's an ice cream here, but it's like a cone full of strawberries. I don't know if they're... Oh, I do have another ice cream, don't I? Yes, I do. Here's this one. There's ice creams on here. So let's grab not pink one because I feel like I have a lot of pink going on. Let's grab a green one. Why not? We're going to go to Dairy Queen on Friday, I believe. I think that's the plan. Okay, let's go with this turquoise teal one for that one. It's kind of green. I don't know. Dairy Queen. I want to try, I think I've said it. I want to try the Nestle Toll House Blizzard Dairy Queen after school because he's going to summer school. And then that'll be this Friday. What's today? Today's the 14th? Yeah, 14th. So 16th. So 7/16 is when the plan is for that. And then we have been getting a lot of pizza. Should I put pizza on here? I think we could. This is from a Happy Planner sticker book too. I think it's from like a mom one or something. I'm not sure. He did eat cupcakes at that birthday party. We'll pool party with friends and we'll throw a cupcake next to it. Sounds good. Okay, pizza. We've been eating at a local place. Let's see, what would be a good color for that one? Probably red, but I don't have red. What about this neon orange color that I've never used in my life? Let's use it. There's orange down there. It's fine. All right, we've been eating at the Big Slice. Eating slice of pizza. At Big Slice. You buy it by the slice. So we kind of like it for... Okay, so we're trying to be more fitness and conscientious. And one of the things about ordering pizza is that you end up with a lot of leftovers and then you eat pizza for days. So we thought if we started ordering or getting just a slice of pizza, then that wouldn't really happen. And then it wouldn't be so terrible. So we thought that one would be fun. Oh, I didn't write what I'm grateful for. Do I want it to say that? I guess so. I don't have anything else going on. I'm going to write that at the end of the month, I think. So like at the end of the month, what am I most grateful for? I think would be a more fun way to do that. So I think that's how this little page is going to end up looking. So that is my summer bucket list for July 2021. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to stop by and watch my video. Bye!